If you want to add event to calendar on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all, we need to open the calendar. So I'm going to use this one, the Samsung calendar over here. We need to allow access and send notifications. We can also enable automatic sync. In my case, I'm just going to cancel that. In the bottom right corner, press this plus. And then over here, we can set up the title for our event. We can also choose to have an emoji, some sort of, and we can select the color. We can set the event to last for the whole day, or you can choose when it starts and when it ends. And of course, we also have the date, so we can pick the date of our event here as well. We have the location, so you can choose the location. We have our mail notifications, so you can choose when you want to be notified about the incoming event. We can choose to make the event repeatable. We have notes, we can add our notes, video conference, attachment, invitees, and also the time zone. Once you fill everything in as you wish it to be, we can press save in the bottom right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!